Respect is the foundation of any relation. Respect is the foundation of any relation. A hearty welcomes back you friend on this online session. I Wasid Khan again welcomes you in spoken classes. As we all know, our topic object speaking is going on and we have successfully completed part first, second, third and fourth. First part was about to apple that starts English language with A. Second was the second different fruit pineapple. Third was my schools and fourth was our lovely state Rajasthan. And today I'm just again going to take a very easy topic that is very similar to this season. So today it is very wonderful to know that today I'm just going to take, I'm not telling you the name of object, I'm just going to draw the pic. I hope you people understood which object today I'm just going to tell. Yes, today a very easy topic again because from last 2 days we are going continue discuss on hard topics. So today again I'm just going to take very easy topic so that you can feel comfortable again to describe this topic. Yes, it's very seasonal fruit nowadays. This fruit is going very much and I hope many of you enjoying this fruit at your home in this lockdown period. So let us start without wasting your time. First of all, I just want to say about this. Here I just going to tell you about 7 to 8 points and some basic points you will add to your speaking part of speaking object. So let us start first. Yes, by seeing, by observing this. This is a fruit. This is a fruit. If we say this fruit is the king of fruits. Yes, this is a fruit. This fruit is the king of fruits. Third, I'm just going to tell this is yellow in color. Yellow in color. This fruit is very tasty. Very tasty in taste. It means it's very yummy. Yes, you can write here yummy. Yes, this fruit is specially used in juice making, popularly known as amras. Yes, this fruits juice is eaten with boiled rice. Point 1 to 6 is completed. Next point I'm just going to talk about the same object, that is, continue with me. This fruit is mostly, this fruit's juice is mostly used with boiled rice. Next topic, I'm just going to take point number 8. This fruit is mostly found in western states of India. This fruit is mostly found in western states of India. If we took the category, the species, the types of mangoes, there are many. It means many types of species are found mangoes. Here I'm just going to tag one that is popularly Daseri. is the most used category of this fruit. It is a seasonal fruit. Yes, I like this fruit very much. Yes, friends, 1 to 11 sentence I already given to you. Now try to add some more more points about this fruit if you know. Means basically अगर आप इस fruits के बारे में और भी ज़्यादा जानते हो, तो you can add 4 to 5 points. Means you have to increase this method. Point 11 is that you have to add 4 to 5 so that your points should be more than 50. And now then you are able to speak more than 6 to 7 minutes on this topic. Thank you very much for being with me. Tomorrow we'll again meet with very different topic. Take care.